Hi, fourth grade students and families. It's Mrs. Lutz, counselor from Alice Smith, introducing the second step video for this week. It's about handling put downs.
Welcome back, everyone. I'm really excited to be back with some of my very favorite fourth graders for another second step lesson. Today, we're going to start by watching a video together. And while you watch, imagine what it would be like if these voices were actually talking to you. All right, here we go.
You're so stupid. I can't believe you wore that to school. What a dumb thing to say. That looks ugly.
Did you notice what was happening to the flower with each put down? I saw it shrinking, shriveling, getting smaller. And if these words were directed at you, how would that make you feel? Sometimes when people say mean and hurtful things, it can make you feel unimportant, small, embarrassed, even angry. I bet you came up with some other emotions as well. The voices on this video were saying things to humiliate someone or hurt their feelings on purpose. These are put downs, and put downs are not okay. They can be the cause of a lot of strong emotions. Do you agree? Thumbs up if you do, thumbs down if no. For me, I definitely agree. And over the last few weeks, we've been practicing ways to calm down strong emotions. We've been working on using a stop signal, naming our feelings, and then using our calming down strategies, breathing, counting, using positive self-talk. So today, you're going to learn how to use some of these same calming down steps for handling put downs. In our next video, one student is put down by another student in his class. As you watch, think about what Derek is feeling and what he needs to do so he doesn't react in a way that might make the situation worse. All right, here goes.
We were getting our spelling test handed back. I didn't do very well. This kid behind me, Jason, looked over at my test and started giving me a hard time about it.
Hey, Derek, look at all those you got wrong. You must be so stupid because that test was easy.
I was so mad and embarrassed that I just wanted to hit him.
When Derek was being put down, he said he felt like hitting Jason. What could Derek do to keep himself from reacting this way? Yeah, he could follow the calming down steps. Let's stop for a second and think of one stop signal that Derek could send to himself. When I say go, if there's someone in the room with you, pause the video and tell them your idea. And if not, you can write it down. One stop signal that Derek could use. Ready? Go. Okay, now that we have a stop signal for Derek, what are some feelings that he could name? Now that he's a little calmer, think of one or more feelings that Derek might be having. He could say to himself, I'm feeling very, what? Mad. I heard him say embarrassed, frustrated, angry, upset, furious, and you probably came up with some others, right? After Derek has stopped and named his feeling, he can use his calming down strategies. And once he's calm, can you think of some things he could do that will be safe and not get him in trouble, but deal with the situation? I'm thinking he could ignore the other student, maybe assertively tell him to stop. He could say something positive about himself or tell Jason it's none of his business. He could talk to an adult about what happened. And maybe you have some other ideas as well. Derek has many choices of things that he could do to make the situation better for himself and not worse for anyone else. Let's watch the second part of the video to see what Derek chooses to do.
I just wanted to hit him, but I knew if I did that, I'd get in big trouble. So instead of letting my emotions get the better of me, I stopped myself, recognized that I was getting really mad, then said some things in my head like, it's not worth getting in trouble over this. I'm not going to let Jason get to me. I also decided to stand up for myself and say something, but I didn't want to make matters worse. It's not worth getting in trouble over this. I'm not going to let Jason get to me. It's no big deal, Jason. Spelling isn't my best subject, but I'm really good at math.
So, was Derek's response to Jason aggressive, assertive, or passive? Yeah, it was assertive. He did the right things to calm himself down, and he was respectful and assertive when responding to Jason. Now, if Jason still keeps putting him down, Derek should get help from an adult. It's really important to remember that anytime you can't get someone to stop putting you down, you should go to a trusted adult for help. Okay, let's review what we've learned today. First, why are put-downs not okay? When I say go, pause your video and share your idea with someone if you can, or write it down. Go. Okay, what did you come up with? Why are put-downs not okay? Maybe you said they make people feel bad. They make people mad. I was thinking the person saying them appears rude and unkind. Put-downs can start a fight, and they're really disrespectful. Let's think now about why it's important to stay calm when you're reacting to a put-down. Okay, again, when I say go, pause the video and share your ideas or write them down for yourself. Go. All right, did you say so you can respond assertively rather than aggressively? Maybe you said so you can think clearly about what to do, so you don't make the situation worse for yourself or anyone else, so you don't get into trouble or start a fight. And I bet you had some other good ideas as well. Finally, if someone continues to put you down, even after you've assertively told them to stop, what should you do? Go to a trusted adult for help. Some of the ways to deal with put downs that we practiced today included how to follow the calm down poster, ignore the person, assertively tell the person to stop, say something positive about yourself, and get help if the put downs continue. Think for a second about which ways you think will work best for you. And go ahead and write those down so you can review them over the week. So if you ever come across someone putting you down, you'll have an idea of which strategies you think will work best for you. Okay, when I say go, pause the video and write them down. Go. All right. Thank you again for sharing your second step time with me today. And I hope that you have a wonderful week. Bye.
This video